Hello and welcome to Lux Living Dream Vacation Rentals. Lux Living started about a decade ago in 1998 with the idea of extremely nice dream vacation rentals. So pretty much the same concept as Airbnb, the same concept as a hotel, but it's luxury and guaranteed best customer service. Lux Living, we have the business model that we understand our clients' time is very precious and valuable. We also ensure best rights. We offer price matching on our luxury properties. So, although Airbnb does have, say, a luxury section, we will match those prices if not beat them, allowing complete assurance that you'll be getting the best value possible. Luxifin also is based upon 24/7 concierge service, which is pretty much customer service 24/7 at any minute. So as soon as your problem arises, we will be there to handle it and we will be there to fix it for you, allowing complete relaxation on your trip. The properties do not come randomly. You do not just pick and choose. We actually go through a 200 plus requirement checklist to ensure our vacationers experience an absolute one of a kind trip. A little bit about our website is this is our first villa in Spain. We took a picture of it, and this is our cover photo. As I said, we provide best rate guarantee, 24/7 concierge service, and curated properties. Along with the website is a few of our villas that are rather on the popular side and locations. We go from a nice mountain in Russia to Italy, Positano, and to Santo Domingo in the Caribbean. As you can see, we provide a large varying of properties going from cold to warm to the Caribbean. Along with the Caribbean, we provide a very professional style company. So as Airbnb and other companies do provide this, we provide the exception and the reassurance that there will be no slacking, there will be no host malfunctions, there will be no sort of schemes where people are not getting the home that they saw in the pictures. We are the complete opposite of that. We are very professional. We also made it to the Forbes list, and a quote that the publisher wrote was, and we quote, Lux Living has 100 staffers traveling around the world to visit potential destinations, putting mansions through a strict 100-point inspection to ensure complete customer service. So as you can see, we are well noticed by pretty much the entire world as a trustworthy luxury vacation rental company. On the bottom of the website, you can see make yourself at home. We pride ourselves on being cozy. The owners, Mariana, Vanessa, Jeff, and Charlie's. Here's a little section we'll talk about later, and it's the contact us form. As we go back up to the top, we can see our destinations, which is going to show us some of destinations and our recommended homes. So, the mountain collection. As I said before, we can have houses and villas and even mansions in the coldest yet highest places in the world. The Rockies, the Alps. Here is a picture. See how high up we go. We have villas ranging from all kinds of styles. We also have a city collection, as you can see. This is our Paris location. This is our Poland, France, and Italy. Next we have our beach Caribbean selection, where you can lay in the sand and relax. And as you can see, as our numbers are still in the positives, we continue to grow daily, and although we see absolute perfection and we settle for nothing less, you can see that we are very professional. On the next page on our website, an application is the contact us form. Because we are international, we have numbers varying from UK, France, Asia Pacific, and the US. We also have local team, so if you're speaking a different language, we will have that accessible. And we have the option to, if you want to become a homeowner and you want to rent out your villa or home to us. So this is our website, and as you can see, we focus on professionalism And the whole idea of providing luxury properties instead of a common house or something more mediocre. We appeal to an older, more mature crowd, not just say per se money, but we try to attract people who will not throw huge parties, will mistreat the furniture, and destroy the place. Um, the concept has been working. We do have slight bumps here and there where a college kid and his friends split the cost, but we'll be taking care of that as we continue to grow and learn more. As you can see, this is our website, and we hope you stay with us soon.